Okay, we're going to show you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video using MSN Paint. So let's start out and go to this little square over here, your start button, I guess, and then we will select Paint, and that should open your Paint window. And then go over to Resize and Skew, and that should bring up this square here. And then we will select pixels, and then you may have to type in 1280 if it doesn't appear by 720, but also click the maintain aspect ratio and then click OK. Then you'll go over to File and hit Open, and this should bring up your pictures that you want to use, and hit Open. And then on the bottom right you have you can shrink the picture down so you can work with it easier. And I'm going to go ahead and add some text. So click on the text. I'm going to make this really big. I'll write it in red. Click on the picture, and then go to File and hit Save as a JPEG. And then we will put a name to the file. And then hit Save. So then we'll shrink this window down and go to our YouTube page. Come on. Click on the thumbnail in your studio and hit. We click the picture and open it. And there you have it. Thank you very much.